Now, as you can see here, here's what all the colors look like. And just didn't realize it, I mentioned it before in the previous video, that I don't notice any two-tone colors. And then I'm looking at it right here. There's a darker shade of red and a lighter shade of red. Most notably, let me just point it out with this part. So darker shades is the front part of the legs, the thigh armor, the knee armor, side of the what do you call it? The side skirts, side chest armor, the inside of the shoulder armor, the forearms, that whole section there. The entire back section is darker, as well as this section of the shield. Oh, so I'm sorry, of the skirt. And the entire shield portion itself is dark from the front. The lighter shade of red is this section here on the top of the shoulder armor, and the shoulder thrusters that's here. Section here and here. The arm guard front area is lighter. The front skirt armor, the chest, middle chest area. Oh, I didn't realize the funnels and the back portion of the head and the face mask is a darker red, while the lighter version is the actual top part of the head. The foot shows some lighter tone here in the inside, and the foot portion of the foot, while on the side you have the side skirt here of the leg that's also a lighter tone, and then the back area, the top area of the back skirt. Yeah, here we go. That's the lighter tone. There's a darker tone, and the heel is lighter. This should not be a problem to do this paint job. Then clearly the inside is all gray, all metallic gray, or gray, however you want to call it, except the forearms is a darker tone, matching that to the backpack, the top part of the gun, and then the fuel tanks. This is the same color tone as the inside of the body. So in all, we have 1, 2, 3, well, there's 2 versions of red, yet there's a third version. Let's see here, if I'm looking at this clearly. Side armor, red parts. Shield, and then front armor. This is weird. Then we have a yellow, which is standard yellow, and then a gray, and then the black. So, for the lighter tone of red, we're going to use Herman's red. This is the lightest shade of red I have. Anything lighter would probably be a little bit too pinkish, but I kind of like this. For the darker tone, I had it here. I'm actually using this as an interim, but it's the russet color, which I don't have in front of me. Why isn't... I thought I had this here a minute ago. Oh, no. Here we go. Just picked up the wrong one. There we go. Russet. So, you can tell right there. Light, dark. Perfect. This is perfect for that. For the yellow, I'm going to acrylic that, and I'm going to use yellow by Mig Jimenez. Don't know what number is this because it's already faded out, but this is, I've had some success with this yellow. Not that many areas of the kit that's yellow, except for the back part here, the umbilical there, only a few parts, so that shouldn't be a problem with this. So we got that. For the inner frame, now, I was actually thinking of using something that I haven't used in a long time. Gunmetal by Alclad 2. Just shaking it up a bit because it hasn't been used in a long time. So that will definitely be for the inner frame. But here's the issue now that I'm now running into a problem, and I'm thinking about I'm thinking about this out loud. Gunmetal is great, but it's a little too dark in the gunmetal portion of it. And I think that will be overshadowed with the back part of this, the gun. The inner frame should be a lighter tone. So I may end up using this for this entire section of the dark. For the inner frame, well, it was either, I'm thinking of using this gray color, metallic, but I don't know if I have enough. Actually I do, because I actually thinned this out a bit when I was making the St. Andrew Stein and metallic painting some parts. So this should be perfect enough for the inside. The thrusters, I'm actually thinking of painting the insides of the thrusters. And there's one paint that I want to try, but I think this may be a little bit too much. So I may end up, well, we don't know yet. But for the inside of the thrusters, for the back area here, the thrusters that's under the legs, the thrusters that's under the shoulder armor, liquid chrome. I have the pen version, which is perfect for me to do the little dot things here and there, and I could probably squeeze out the chrome that's in here onto the airbrush. I just don't feel like opening this up because I want to save this for a unique project. But for the inside, yeah, I want to use that for the inside. This color will also substitute for the clip and the thing that pumps and whatever other areas that's dark. Well, everything else is light, sorry, for the inside you see here. And then finally, using the decals that I purchased just to finalize this kit so it looks amazing. So what do you guys think of that? Standard colors, good detail, but there's one last thing. Should have thought of that. Should have said this. I'm going to be using black primer microfiller, and I don't know if this will work with this color paints. Maybe it will. I may have to do a test run, but I want to see if I could do pre-shading using this. So I don't know yet. Pre-shading would have been like me painting the entire kit, all the parts black, but then painting the inside the color red and then fading it out. So do it like a reverse pre-shade wash, if that makes any sense. So I don't feel like painting it, priming it first and then priming it with light that with the black just to show the outline. Don't know that if that will work. I may end up not doing pre-shading. Let's see how it. Let's feel it out and see how far we go with this. All right. So that's the plan. We can get this done hopefully by the end of the year. Let's begin building real grade Sazabi. Let's review this part here. I'm going to take a look at it at first glance. Yeah, like I mentioned before, this it is a, you know, it is what it is. When you see it here, you're like, oh God, why couldn't they do this? But now you take a look at it, So you say to yourself, okay, now you understand the reasons why. And to get it as best detail as possible. It also, so they have no margin, no error here of doing this, right? They had to do it as one mold, so it is a pain in the ass. I'm going to use the my new nippers that I got from Gundam Planet. I'm just gonna get it there and snip. Nice. 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 It's just nice. A nice quick squeeze. Good. But I'm not going to start cutting this, removing these from the trays. I'm just going to remove the bags first, so I can sort this out and figure out where to begin. I see the stickers are lifted up. I don't know, maybe was it because of some moisture or humidity or something like that? Don't know. So this is the unique inner frame parts that is specific for this kit. So I don't know if this will be used again. Probably will if they decide to. If Bandai decides to make the St. Andrew Stein real grade, that could be a possibility. Or hey, what about the Moon Gundam, which I have, and I have the opportunity to build it. Every time I look at the Moon Gundam, I was like, wow, that's pretty damn nice. Sorry for the background noise. They're just doing, cleaning the sidewalks. Also, I bought some more tools and stuff from Hobbyland Japan. They had their, holiday sale. I'm gonna wait until, maybe I'll either get it here before the year's over, or maybe until next year. Didn't buy that much of kits though. That's something that I need to curb on, buying more kits. Because in all due fairness, I pretty much have everything. Not everything, but you know what I mean. Also, I'd like to congratulate all the winners of the G Bwc 2018. I saw the video of the event. It was actually on GundamInfo.com and on YouTube. So you guys can take a look at it. I know that I only remember who the first place winner was Japan with the Exia, with the Perfect Grade Exia. So I didn't get a chance to. I actually was watching it a bit and then I had to stop to do something else. I'll have to review it again. But anyway, I'm just going to send out my congratulations to everybody who won. You guys did amazing work here. Let me just check something here first. I am noticing some darker color tones because I thought it wasn't two-tone color. So that's the lighter tone. And this is the darker. It doesn't seem that too shiny. Yeah. This is. I'm going to try to see if I can get them all in one tray. So that goes with these, and that goes with these. And if not, I can always just cut them up and put them in different trays. Alright, so give me a moment to sort this through. I'm going to get my trays out, start removing the parts, and then figure out which one is which so we can begin. Alright? Let's get started.